Happy day, students. Today I am going to continue idioms and phrases part 5 for higher secondary students. Already we have seen idiom is an expression whose meaning is different from the meanings of the individual words in it. Let's see some more examples. Next you see, have egg on your face. That means to be very embarrassed. Stan had egg on his face after saying he could easily do 50 push-ups and then giving up after doing just 20. Buy the farm means to die. I'll pass through this illness. I am too young to buy the farm. Stink to high heaven means to smell very badly. This meat stinks to high heaven. Throw it away. Have a lot on your plate means to have a lot of things to do. Sorry, I can't go golfing with you. I have a lot on my plate right now. 40 winks means a short sleep during the day. He usually has 40 winks going home on the train. Go against the tide. Do not follow what everyone else is doing. For example, it's very difficult to go against the tide and follow your dreams. Flash in the pan. Something that is promising in the beginning but fizzles out later. His initial good performances were a mere flash in the pan. Nowadays he delivers only mediocre work. Find your feet. That means to become familiar with and confident in a new situation. Did I take you long to find your feet when you staged your new job? When you started your new job? Fish for a compliment. Make an attempt to make someone say something nice to you or about you. For example, when the student said that he was still not confident of the subject after a score of 95 on 100 in the test, the teacher knew that he was only fishing for a compliment. Get a grip on yourself means controlling your feelings to deal with a situation. Lily saw her jewelry and cash missing from the cupboard. After the initial shock, she got a grip on herself and called up the police. Raring to go, being very eager and enthusiastic about the idea of doing something. My kids wish to see the animals. They are raring to go to zoo. Proud as a peacock. When a person is proud as a peacock, he starts to consider himself to be the best and boast about it. For example, Tom has been as proud as a peacock ever since he found out that he came in top of the class. He hasn't missed a single opportunity to remind us. Wear your heart on your sleeve. That means to make your feelings and emotions obvious rather than hiding them. Example, you always know where John stands because he wears his heart on his sleeve. Pen pusher, to describe someone who has a very boring and tedious job often related to paperwork. Example, you see, Jane was exhausted being a pen pusher, so she gave up her job. Take the bitter with the sweet, to accept both the good and the bad that happens. Example, if you intend to get married, you must be prepared to take the bitter with the sweet. Pardon my French. It is said when you are pretending to be sorry for using a word that may be considered offensive. Example, pardon my French, but that's a damn shame. Have sticky fingers means to be likely to steal. Example, you see, the last person we hired as a cashier turned out to have sticky fingers. Donkey's ears means long time. An example, I haven't been here in donkey's years. I can't believe how much the town has changed. Yellow-bellied means cowardly. Example, I'm not surprised that Tom didn't come to the rally. He is too yellow-bellied to defend his beliefs in public. Green light, to give permission for something to happen. Example, if we can't do this movie for $5 million, the studio is not going to greenlight it. Shape up your ship out. This expression is used to warn someone that if they do not improve their ways, they will have to leave their job. So example, when Tom started neglecting the customers, he was told to shape up or ship out. Heart in mouth means feeling nervous or scared. Example, her heart was in her mouth while she was watching the horror movie. A dead letter means an issue, a law or matter that is no longer important or that no longer has force or power. Example, the ceasefire agreement was a dead letter as soon as it was signed. Backseat driver, much like someone giving unwanted advice from the backseat of a vehicle to the driver. Don't act like a backseat driver. Kate knows what she is doing. Go haywire means become out of control. Example, after his speech, the crowd went haywire. Golden handshake, that is big sum of money given to a person when they leave a company or retire. Example, our company offered a golden handshake to many of their aged employees. Call it a day to declare the end of a task. Example, we have been at this for hours. Let's call it a day and come back tomorrow when we are fresh. A hot potato, something that is difficult or dangerous to deal with. Example, the abortion issue is a political hot potato in the United States. Be in Dutch means be in trouble. The boy was in Dutch with his friend. Bear out, support the argument. I'm sure my classmate will bear out my statement. As keen as mustard means very excited and enthusiastic. Example, kids are always as keen as mustard to learn new things around them. Bite your tongue means to stop yourself from saying something that you would really like to say. Example, I wanted to tell him exactly what I thought of him, but I had to bite my tongue. Brain box, someone who is regarded as highly intelligent. Example, you see, Kevin is such a brain box that he memorized pi to 100 decimal places. Icing on the cake means something that makes a good situation even better. So here, George was happy to have his first book published. All those congratulatory messages and fan mail that came in were the icing on the cake. Thick as thieves means very close or friendly. So, I'm sure she tells Ruth everything we say. They are as thick as thieves, these two. The final straw, the last in the series of unpleasant events that finally makes you feel that you cannot continue to accept a bad situation. Example, losing my job was bad enough, but being evicted was the final straw. So dear students, hope you have understood, and with this I wind up part 5 and I shall continue in the next class. Thank you.